Welcome back again in the next video of this series. Today we are going to cover CRT-450 Salesforce Certified Platform Developer First PD1 Questions and Answers Part 12. If you like this content, please subscribe our channel. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Let me know if you have any questions. Now let's begin. The question is, Universal Containers uses a simple order management app. On the order lines, the order line total is calculated by multiplying the item price with the quantity ordered. There is a master detail relationship between the order and the order lines object. What is the best practice to get the sum of all order line totals on the order header? Option A, Declarative Rollup Summaries app. Option B, Rollup Summary field. Option C, Process Builder. Option D, Apex Trigger. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, which two are phases in the Salesforce application event propagation framework? Choose two. Option A, Bubble. Option B, Default. Option C, Control. Option D, Emit. Correct answer is option A and B. Next question is, which two events need to happen when deploying to a production org? Choose two. Option A, all process builder processes must have at least 1% test coverage. Option B, all Apex code must have at least 75% test coverage. Option C, all triggers must have at least 1% test coverage. Option D, all visual flows must have at least 1% test coverage. Correct answer is option B and C. Next question is, a developer uses a loop to check each contact in a list. When a contact with the title of boss is found, the Apex method should jump to the first line of code outside of the for loop. Which Apex solution will let the developer implement this requirement? Option A, return. Option B, continue. Option C, break. Option D, system.assert in brackets false. Correct answer is option C. Our next question is, a developer has an Apex controller for a visual force page that takes an ID as a URL parameter. How should the developer prevent a cross-site scripting vulnerability? Option A, Apex pages dot current page brackets dot get parameters bracket dot get in brackets URL underscore param. Option B, string dot escape single quotes in brackets Apex pages dot current page brackets dot get parameters brackets dot get in brackets URL underscore param. Option C, string dot value of in brackets Apex pages dot current page in brackets dot get parameters brackets dot get in brackets URL underscore param. Option D, Apex pages dot current page brackets dot get parameters brackets dot get in brackets URL underscore param escape HTML for brackets. Correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question. An org tracks customer orders on an order object and the line items of an order on the line item object. The line item object has a master/detail relationship to the order object. A developer has a requirement to calculate the order amount on an order and the line amount on each line item based on quantity and price. What is the correct implementation? Option A, write a single before trigger on the line item that calculates the item amount and updates the order amount on the order. Option B, write a process on the line item that calculates the item amount and order amount and updates the fields on the line item and the order. Option C, implement the line amount as a numeric formula field and the order amount as a rollup summary field. Option D, implement the line amount as a currency field and the order amount as a sum formula field. Correct answer is option D. Next question is Universal Containers UC wants to lower its shipping cost while making the shipping process more efficient. The distribution officer advises UC to implement global addresses to allow multiple accounts to share a default pickup address. The developer is tasked to create the supporting object and relationship for this business requirement and uses the setup menu to create a custom object called global address. Which field should the developer add to create the most efficient model that supports the business need? Option A. Add a master detail field on the global address object to the account object. Option B. Add a master detail field on the account object to the global address object. Option C. Add a lookup field on the global address object to the account object. Option D. Add a lookup field on the account object to the global address object. Correct answer is option D. Next question is which code should be used to update an existing Visual Force page that uses standard Visual Force components so that the page matches the look and feel of Lightning experience? And your options are as follows. And the correct answer is option C. Next question is a developer has a requirement to create an order when an opportunity reaches a closed won status. Which tool should be used to implement this requirement? Option A Lightning component, option B Apex trigger, option C Lightning flow, option D process builder. Correct answer is option B. Next question is a team of developers is working on a source driven project that allows them to work independently with many different ORG configurations. Which type of Salesforce ORGs should they use for their development? Option A developer ORGs, option B developer sandboxes, option C full copy sandboxes, option D scratch ORGs. Correct answer is option D. Stay tuned for many more videos like this. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.